Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. I got a new package in. I got to show it to you. So, if you want to make your own electricity, your own solar pool heater and all that, click on the links down below. And you can get started. One solar panel at a time. That's how I've done it for the last 9 years. And for now, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we go. Please subscribe, then click that little bell over there. This camera's backwards, so I gotta get used to it. So anyway, I got new hats in. And I want to show all of you. They're super awesome. In my eyes, anyway. So, U.S. Army retired. And I got that to cover the ears and the neck on hot summer days. That, I love the colors. Army veteran. This is for a guy at work. He was airborne back in the day. That'll be his Christmas present. That is super cool. Alright, short and sweet. Thanks for playing. Flip this around. Oh, wow, that's quite a close-up. And I'll probably have to do it again. Wow. And have a nice sunny day.